from here you can add an image. If you have the video, then select the video, and after the selecting the video, you will get the options over here. So let's understand the here also you can see the different options like all, account, Instagram and business. So basically when you select the page, so the post you have already done in your Facebook, those creatives will be available over there. If you are selecting the Instagram, then the post you have already did in your Instagram, those will be available over here. And the account, so basically Facebook also provide you to create a business folder. Okay, so in the account, the ads or the creatives which has been already uploaded, that will be visible over here. Okay, so click on the all option as of now, and we are selecting this creative. Select this creative and click the next option. When you click the next option, it will ask you to adjust the size based on the placement. So mainly there are three placements. One is the feed, second one is the stories and reels, and third one is the right column of the meta. Okay? Not visible, but here you can keep your primary text. Your primary text means your sales copy. Okay? Your sales copy, the first part, that should be there. That should be a hook. So what exactly the hook is? Like I said, someone talked about, like if you are targeting the specific people, like men above 40. So that is a hook. Okay? So that kind of copy. Now, how many of you are writer over there? Again, ChatGPT है तो सभी राइटर है, राइट? ChatGPT है तो सभी राइटर है, ठीक है? So let me make your life easy again. And I will provide you the collection of 500 prompts. ठीक है? Will provide you the collection of 500 prompts. Though these 500 prompts, of course, all the prompts are not useful for you. Probably 8 or 10 prompts could be useful for you, and these are proven prompts. Like in the index, you can see if you want to build a social media content calendar, that prompt is available. These are the prompts, but don't completely rely on this ChatGPT or any AI tool. God has given us more powerful brain than ChatGPT. Sorry? But no time.
So use other apps even.
No, I am not telling you to use other apps. I am telling you to use your brain more. So basically, I tell you. So basically, the thing is, AI is something that is 1 lakh times faster than our brain. That's true. Our brain is 10 lakhs faster than ChatGPT, but we have not trained it yet well to utilize the full potential of our brain. Correct? So, at least whatever output we are getting, we can validate it, whether we are getting the correct output or not. Even if you are using the prompt to get an output, and let's say you are providing 20% discount, and in the output it says 25% discount, so it's our responsibility to change it. So I am talking about that kind of validation. Okay? So the thing is, don't just get the output, copy and paste, at least read once. Does this copy matches with your product or not? Matches with your offer or not? Alright? Okay. So let's say you want to write the meta sales copy. So type over here Facebook sales copy or maybe sales copy. So okay. Yeah, here. So when you type a keyword, so it will show you. Okay, this is a Notion file. If you are using Notion, so you are already familiar with. But if you are not using, then also it's completely fine because it's very easy. Okay, you just need to type the keyword in the search and you will get it. Okay. So just type the copy over there, and you will get a prompt like creating the ad copy. Click on this open, and you will get the prompt over here. Okay. So you can fetch a prompt like create persuasive ad copies for a Facebook advertising campaign targeting. Then in the bracket, that is the syntax, target audience. Mention your target audience over there. So let's say your target audience is men above 40. Your target audience is businesses who has turnover above 10 CR or 20 CR. Okay, जो भी हो. The goal of the campaign is, what is your goal? Maybe the first goal is the awareness. So your first goal was the awareness. The goal of the campaign is to spread awareness for your product, whatever product you are selling out, or then highlight the unique selling point. That what is the unique selling point of your product? So type the unique selling point of your product over here if possible. That could be your positioning statement as well. Emphasize the key benefits of the product. जो भी आपका product है उसका key benefits है. यहाँ पर product डाल देना है. Then which include your type the benefits you are providing, your product is providing. Address the pain point of whatever the pain point your customers are facing, like that, and use tone. So there are multiple tones like formal, informal, yes. Like video script. For video script, prompt is different. You can get the script from the ChatGPT and use any other platform that can provide the video. So generally we don't for the ad videos we don't mostly rely on the AI because human does research over there as of now. So that's why we generally hire someone to shoot the video for our client and they shoot it and give it. I will also show you some samples. Okay. Yeah. So possible. I'll tell you how to do that. Okay. So first of all, let us complete this ChatGPT wala option. So right now, let's take this example and it is a ChatGPT. So what we are telling to the ChatGPT? Create a persuasive ad copy. Is it visible? Should I maximize it? Okay. Here keep a target audience. What product should we select? Can we select this one? What exactly it is? Seeds, lentils, legumes, nuts. Can you give me the more brief about it? Protein meals. Okay, protein snack meals. So the target audience is the people who are health conscious. Okay? So targeting health conscious people in India. So let's suppose we are targeting in India. So I'll give the India over there. Next, the goal of the campaign is, क्या था कैंपेन का गोल? Yes. So spread awareness for product is Sprouted NutriMax. How many of you got this product? So he spread awareness around his product by giving the samples. Now let's see how we can spread awareness online. So offline he has already done. Okay. So spread awareness for the product name is Sprouted NutriMix. Sprouted NutriMix. I am just writing over here, Vikram. NutriMix, Sprouted NutriMix is the name of your product, and give a small break, like I am telling as of now, a quick healthy snack. Quick healthy snack. That's what I guess it is. So, highlight the unique selling point that so we can say maybe vanish. Emphasize the key benefits of the product. So again, we'll write the product name over here. So the product name is Sprouted NutriMax. Sprouted NutriMix, which include, yeah, what is the value proposition? Okay, high protein. These are the high fiber. It's the high fiber. Okay. As of now, I am telling, I'm writing over here high fiber, high protein. Address the pain point. So maybe remove curing hungerness while maintaining the nutrition level in the body. Okay, so this is the key benefits as of now I am assuming for you. Okay, everyone has a different key benefits, and always keep your key benefits in odd number. Okay, I'll tell you why. Why should you keep your benefit list in odd numbers? Everyone awake over here? Everyone awake? Okay. So let's do an exercise. Think about a number from 1 to 10. Think about a number from 1 to 10. अरे बोलना नहीं, पूछना है, रखो अपने मन में. Think about a number between 1 to 10. ठीक है, कोई भी नंबर देखो. Yeah? I am a mind reader. Okay. How many of you got 5? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay. How many of you think 8? How many of you think 2? 1. How many of you thought 7? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay. 4. Only 4. Can you see the pattern over here?
You ask to
Even numbers, yeah, even numbers count is less. 2, 1. But for the odd numbers, 10 people raise their hand, 9 people raise their hand, 12 people raise their hand. So this is the psychology actually. So that's why consciously or unconsciously our brain loves the odd numbers. ठीक है, अगर आप नंबरिंग नहीं भी करे होगे वहां पर तो भी जो है वो ऑड नंबर को ही कंज्यूम करते हैं. दैट्स व्हाई यू सी द प्राइस 999, 99, 199, right? 9,99,999. Ultimately, it's 1 crore. Sorry, 10 lakh. 10 lakh. Still, you will feel like 9 lakh, 9 lakh. So that is the psychology. So our brain loves the odd number. So that's why keep your benefit points in the odd number. Okay. I can say here use healthy tone in the ad copy. Healthy and motivation. Tone in the ad copy. The desired call to action is learn more. So when you are running the awareness campaign, your call to action should be learn more. Okay, don't use buy now, get now, get offer. No, only learn more option. Okay. Then enter. Let's see. We'll be getting our copy over here. Add copy 1. Snack smart, not fast. Evening hunger strikes. Don't worry. Sorry. Don't reach for junk. Reach for strength. How is the hook? How is the hook? Okay. Introducing awareness create over here. Introducing Sprouted Nutrimax, your new go-to quick snack that banishes summertime cravings while keeping your health goals on track. Benefits: high protein to keep you full, high fiber to support your digestion, zero compromise on taste or time. Because your body deserves nutrition, not fillers. Turn hunger into power, fuel your evening night. Right, evening right. Okay, so this is the copy. And call to action is learn more. Then add copy 2, add copy 3. So you got the 3 variations over. Okay. Alright. Now the question is, how many primary texts do we require? I recommend minimum 3 to 5. Primary text means sales copy. Keep minimum 3 to 5 sales copy whenever you are writing the copy. So we got the 3 over here. We are not going to validate because we have very less time.
So sir, one thing, when you are, this is the first screen, right?
Just give me 10 minutes. 10 minutes only. Let's take it. Just wait.
Now when you are creating this, you are creating multiple pages or adding multiple pages or it's a single form where user will see one. Because user will probably not go to the second one.
I didn't get you.
So when you are creating this form, basically it's a single form or it has to click on button to go to the next one.
They need to click on this button. This one continue and complete that continue.
So will they be going 5 pages?
हाँ. वही वो ऑटोमेटिकली भी हो जाता है. वैसे भी let's say we selected UI UX design. Sometimes Facebook will automatically redirect them to the second one. Okay. Next one here. This one. This option is very important. So this is the verifying thing. So when Meta launched this option, at that point of time, the user need to enter this code manually, the OTP that they have received. Later they did it automatically. So basically when you log into any app Swiggy or something, so it automatically fetches the code, right? So similarly, here as well, it automatically fetches the code. Okay, they receive, when they enter the number, they receive a code, and that code is automatically fetched by Meta. After then only the user can submit the form. Otherwise, they won't be able to submit the form. Okay? And at the end, they will get this option to review the information they have already shared. They have shared in the previously. Then they need to slide to submit the form. Once they slide, the form will get submitted. Okay? So let's talk about the lead generation campaign, how to create it. So it's similar to the other campaigns that we created. You just need to click, I'll tell you. Click on the create option. Select the leads option over here. Select the continue option. And don't go for the tailored lead campaign. Very poor performance. आपको देगा लीड, कोई दिक्कत नहीं है, 20 रुपया 30 रुपया 40 रुपया में देगा. But जब आप, when your sales team will call them, they would say, just wait a minute, I'm calling you back. Or they would say, अभी बच्चे को छोड़ने जा रहा हूँ, बाद में बात करते हैं, पता नहीं कौन हो तुम. ठीक है, मैंने इंक्वायरी नहीं करी है, क्यों कॉल कर रहे हो मेरे को बार बार. ठीक है, so that's why don't select that option. Select this option. Click on the continue, manual one. Click on the continue, and see the other options of the campaign and the ad set both are same. ठीक है, कोई अलग नहीं है उसमें. After that, I'm directly jumping to the add option. In the add option, select the pages option over here, and at the bottom here, yeah, here you get the lead form option. So we have already created a lead form. Here you can create, click on the create a form option, and accordingly you can proceed. So right now I am duplicating it. Here, give a name to your form which is understandable. Okay, so as of now I am keeping the same name. So you have three options over here: more volume, higher intent, and rich creative. Out of all these options, the higher intent is the only option that has the OTP verification wala option. Okay, more volume means you will get more and more number of leads, but higher intent with the OTP, Meta will try to give you the verified leads. Okay, so this is also optional, the OTP thing, so you can check mark it and get the verified leads. Next option, at the initial level, flexible from delivery of it. Okay, don't allow Meta. Then click on the next option. Here you can put the grid. So like we wrote over here, hi, we are your reliable tech partner, you have been looking. So this is kind of a personalization greeting. Hi, and we are greeting to someone who came over here. So your content should be conversational, not should be conversion optimized. If your content is conversational, it is automatically conversion optimized. Okay. Next one, what type of product do you need help with? So it depends. Maybe your services, the SaaS product you are providing. So for that, you may have some other questionnaires, so that you can place over here. Click on the next. अच्छा इसको कैसे करना है वो? Over here you get the option, the questions वाला. ठीक है. पहले क्या हुआ? Intro हमने create कर दिया हमको. आगे क्या होने वाला है वो बता दिया. Next one is the questions one. So in the questions, you are asking the question like it has the different options. So you get the different options like multiple choice, short answer, conditional, or appointment request. Appointment request doesn't work very well. So in case you have the appointment request type of business, so take them, redirect them to the website. That is better. Yes. So that is better one. है ना, because there you can paste the Calendly link and you can work with it. So for this kind of option, you can select the multiple type question, and multiple type question, add your question, then options over here that customer want to select. Okay. Next one, describe. Okay, you can put the two questions over here. You can put actually multiple questions, but don't use more than two questions. Okay. The more number of questions you will use, your CPL will go more. Your CPL will be more. Okay. So keep it two questions, completely fine. Relevant to your business. After that, over here you can select. You have the different option categories. So like contact fields, email, WhatsApp number, street address. These are the options. Where is the work information, full name, first name, last name, demographic में marital status ये वो. इसमें आधार कार्ड भी पूछ सकते हो, but yes, of course that is not required. That's why I don't select. So selecting only 3 to 4 option is enough. Like full name, work email, job title, and phone. That's more than enough. Then it depends on your business as well. Then what type of data you require. Maybe if you need the company name, so you can add the company name. If you need the website, you can add that as well. Just in case if you want their website link, so in that case you can select over here. And more you can select in the add question. Select for the short question, and here you can write the website. Then click on the next option. Okay. So here you can write, you can paste your company's terms and policy page link or privacy page link. But now question is, if you don't have, then what? Means if you don't have a website, then what? Then it's very simple. Go to Google and type Facebook privacy policy. Okay. Copy this link and paste over. This way. It will work. Okay? It's working since 20 years. Okay? And here write the your company privacy policy text. It's an optional material. Next one is the consent. Consent. Though it shows the optional, but yes, keep it. Okay? So because when customer is reading this, when your prospect is reading this, so now he knows, okay, they will contact me to get know more about my project. So that's it. And submit. Next. And then the next, that means they will get the option to review what they have written, the customer, and click on the next. After that, you can click on the create form. Okay, so here, and with the thank you note, like we said, thank you for trusting Travis for your project. And in the description, you can say what is next, what is coming next. So for an example, we said over here, one of our team members will reach out to you shortly via call or email. That way. So customer is reading, your prospect is reading, right? Here you have 4 options. You can redirect them to the website. You can ask them to, you can upload your catalog if you have, or your company brochure profile over here in PDF. So for that you can select this option. It allows you to upload the PDF, JPG or PNG. Okay? And you can also ask them to directly call you by selecting the call business option. Enter your country code, your number over here. Redeem promo code definitely not useful, and then just click on the create form and your form will be created. Right now I am not going to create because ultimately we already have the form and we don't need the second. So just a moment. So this is how you can start generating leads by using the lead campaign for your product. Okay? We can start the Q&A now.
So my question is, the additional action, why it will always be one? I mean,
additional.
The additional action. That go to website, W file. Yeah, so I can do that.
No. It will help you. See, think in the consumer, get into the shoes of the customer and think. They have the multiple call to actions. Why should we give multiple call to actions?
It doesn't work.
It doesn't work. Keep it single focused call to action. Where it is required, then that can be done through the landing pages. But over here, Meta will allow you to select only one option because this is radio. Okay? So multiple, it won't allow. Yes, please. You can select a drop pin,